Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer product catalogs from Shopify into BigCommerce, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer product catalogs from Shopify into BigCommerce, begin by preparing your product data in Shopify. Log into your Shopify account and navigate to the Products section. Select all products you want to export. Use the Export button to download your product data as a CSV file. Open the CSV file in a spreadsheet application like Excel or Google Sheets. Review the exported data to ensure it includes all necessary fields such as product names, descriptions, prices, and inventory levels. Next, log into your BigCommerce account. Go to the Products section, then select Import. Review the import options and requirements provided by BigCommerce. Before importing, format your CSV file according to BigCommerce specifications. This includes adjusting column headers and ensuring all required fields are filled in correctly. Once your CSV is formatted, return to the BigCommerce import page. Upload your CSV file and initiate the import process. Monitor the import status for any errors or warnings during the upload. After the import is complete, review your product listings in BigCommerce. Verify that all products have been imported correctly, including images and variations. Make any necessary adjustments to product details, pricing, or organization. Once you are satisfied with the product catalog in BigCommerce, proceed with any additional configurations such as shipping settings or payment options. Your product catalog is now successfully transferred from Shopify to BigCommerce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.